How to fix camera shutter lag on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. First of all, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume down button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. Your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and click on camera app and click on storage. Click on clear cache. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on general management and click on reset and click on factory reset. After click on factory reset, click on reset, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on delete all. After click on delete all, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.